Aloha from the beautiful Ulua Beach in Maui, Hawaii. Today is a special event. The fires in Lahaina had devastating effects throughout the island, and especially for small businesses. And we have today the owners of
Makana Hawaii Beachwear.
And their 2 stores burned down in the fire. And so they are rebuilding and going online, and the link is going to be in the description here. But we came out as a community here on Maui to support her business and the community in general, because this is what the Aloha spirit is all about. So we wanted to help these guys have some fun and go out there and buy their swimwear. So aloha! Let's introduce Matthew Frisbee, the #1 real estate photographer in Maui, and also family photographer, wedding photographer, swimwear photographer extraordinaire. What are you shooting with today, buddy?
I'm on a A7 IV with a 70-200 GM.
Woo, all right.
Rock the party non-stop like this. Rock the party non-stop like this.
Perfect, beautiful. That was awesome.